so I'm at Fly Girls Beauty Salon with this beautiful lady right here. Since I've been in Arizona back and forth, she's been doing my lashes. So pretty much tell them about yourself, what we're going to be doing today.
Today we're going to be doing a nice wispy set. We're going to do some 13s and 14s, throw some 12s, and
how do we find you? She's so cute. How do we find you, Deonna?
I'm so sorry.
How do we find you?
You can find me at MinksbyDeonna on Instagram or Deonna, ANNOED, on Snapchat.
We gotta get started. I'm gonna leave all the information to get in contact with her in the description box below, but she's the sweetest, so we can get started.
Yes.
I don't know if it was fireworks or gunshots, but the bird is in the air. It could get ugly. I'm just a boy from the east side.
Would like to see more videos like this, definitely leave a comment in the comment section below. I'm definitely trying to do more relaxing, more chill type videos, so let me know what you guys thought. Alright, you guys, so she is done, and again, we're at Fly Girls Beauty Salon, and she's amazing. If you're in Arizona, you're welcome. If you're in Arizona, Phoenix area, definitely check her out. All her information will be in the description box below. And yeah, you got anything to say, girl? But check her out. Follow her on Instagram, and definitely, if you come see her, you're gonna look bomb.
Period. Okay, that's all there is to it.
Exactly. No? That's that.